Richard Gutierrez at Solen Yusa. Sinagot ang mga intrigang idinidikit sa kanila. Una na sa mga ito ang di mamatay-matay na isyung may namumuo na raw silang matatamis na pagtitinginan. Nagsimula ito nang una silang magsama sa Survivor Philippines, na lalo pang umingay nang mapili si Solen na maging isa sa leading ladies ni Chard sa upcoming Valentine movie nito.
Right now, we're friends, and we made a movie, and she's gonna be part of Captain Barbell. So we're gonna be working a lot together, and but we're friends.
Are you ready to fall in love?
Let's see.
Kasabay nito, siniguro naman ni Chard na matutuwa pa rin ang mga fans sa pagsasama nilang dalawa on the big screen.
Kung maraming tao man na nangangarap or gustong magkatuluyan kami ni Solen, panoorin na lang nila yung Valentine's movie namin, di ba? At makikita nila doon yung chemistry namin ni Solen.
Sa kabilang banda naman, itong si Solen, naharap sa matinding kontrobersya matapos umano siyang tawaging bembo ng isang French TV network na gumawa ng isang documentary tungkol sa Pilipinas.
Yeah, syempre naman, I was the one who helped them out when they came here. We helped them out with transports, with the locations, booking people, also, so parang when it came out, I got kind of offended that the title of the documentary is Gangsters, Drug Lords, and Bimbos. And referring to us because we're the only girls there in the video. So parang like, like we're helping you tapos ganyan yung issue.
Aminado si Solen na apektado rin maging ang pamilya niya dahil sa isyung ito.
My dad is furious. So, we wrote to them, and then all his friends who are in the industry in France, they also wrote to the main guy in the channel saying it's a disgrace how you can even talk about the Philippines that way if you've only been there for 40 hours like that. So, sorry, they didn't reply.
At sa gitna nito, isa lang ang mensahe ni Solen.
Hopefully, next time they do another documentary, sana about the good things or the truth na lang. You don't need to exaggerate the differences like that.
Yes, mga kapuso, we are still here live in the Cebu City Sports Complex for the Sinulog Festival 2011 at ongoing pa rin po ang street dance competition behind me. Pero nakarating na ang mga float na sakay ang mga favorite kapuso stars ninyo. And with me now, ang isa sa mga leading ladies sa Valentine movie ni Chard. Ito na, Solen Yusa.
Hello.
Hey, Sos. Alright, Sos, dahil ang nickname po ni Solen ay Sos. Alright, Sos, how was your first Sinulog experience?
Sobrang saya dito. As in, alam ko maraming tao dito sa Sinulog. Pero when I saw the crowd, I was like, oh my God. Tapos, I think they're they're all dancing kahit may ulan. Like, they're really, really great people here.
Would you do it again?
Of course, next year naman.
Now, alam ko Chard was supposed to be part of the parade, and ang alam ko rin dapat kasama niyo siya sa float. Ano nangyari? Bakit hindi siya nakasama?
Kasi may sakit siya kasi 11 days in a row yung taping niya. So, parang napapagod siya.
Napagod siya.
Napagod siya.
Oh, so he's sick, and Chard, I hope you get well soon, diba? Alam ko that you guys have been working together for this movie. Sunod-sunod na rin yung shooting days ninyo. And I know that you and Chard are friends, but how is he as a leading man?
As in, he's really good. As in, when he acts with me, sobrang naniniwala ako. As in, I'm like, may ganon. Parang I stop it, I'm like, I believe him. But it helps me be better in character and everything. Tapos he helps me with my lines kung masyadong mabilis ako, like that. So, very helpful.
And how is it working with Lovie and Derek Andoy? I know it's your first acting experience then. Kumusta yung paggawa ng pelikula?
Lovie is also someone I've met before, so we get along also, and she's very easy to work with because she's really nice and she's very good at her craft. Tapos si Derek Andoy, sobrang patient, he really explains things really well, so it's perfect for my first movie. All my pair-ups there.
So exciting yan na Valentine's movie ninyo. Pero Sos, kasi sa Party Pilipinas, you've had quite a few production numbers na medyo sexy, on the sexy side. Napag-uusapan nyo ba ni Chard? Anong reaction niya sa mga sexy performances mo?
He hasn't really seen anything yet, but I don't think he'd mind. As in, classy ako, so it's not like I'm doing anything dirty. So okay
And
lang.
it's well made yung mga yung mga production numbers mo. Meron bang naka-line up na bagong production numbers sa Party Pilipinas?
Yeah, well, new ones coming soon.
Okay.
Abangan.
Now let's talk about what happened in the French documentary na alam ko yung pamilya mo yung tumulong sa kanila na maghanap ng mga subjects dito. And then nung in-air na siya sa France, parang mali yata yung pagkakatawag sa'yo ng bimbo. Ang bimbo po ay babaeng maganda lang pero walang alam. Yun ang
Walang
definition nun. And you were hurt also when this aired.
I was very hurt, but more for my friends kasi I'm the one who convinced them to do this interview. Tapos may ganon after. So parang like, you know, how can you repay us this way if we were the one helping you get all the interviews you needed, helping you go to the places you need to go to get the certificates and
yeah.
everything, permits. So parang like, hello.
Meron bang action na gagawin ng Husa family laban sa M6, yung French network na yon?
Yeah, we wrote very sarcastic. So just thank you for calling me a bimbo. It's the best compliment I've ever had. Thank you very much. Yun lang.
Parang dinaan nyo lang sa sarcasm, pero no
Yeah.
legal action.
No, I'm not like that now. Tapos I want my 2011 to be very positive. So they'll have karma.
Yeah. So if you were offered again to do another documentary about the Philippines, would you do it again?
Depende sa channel. Tapos I'll have to make sure to watch the video before they release it. Because of course I want to promote the Philippines. I want more tourists to come here also. So
That's right.
I'm not going to say no. But I want them to portray the Philippines as it is, as we know it.
Yes.
Not as how they see it in 40 hours. So parang ganyan.
You said that you want your 2011 to be very positive, and it's starting out on a very positive note with this upcoming Valentine's movie. Tell us more about your character here. Ano ba yung character mo dito sa bagong Valentine's movie ng GMA Films?
Okay, so ako pa si Andy. I'm a marine biologist, so I get to work with the dolphins and everything. It's very fun. And I am the best friend of Richard, tapos yung best friend also of Lovey. So it's a whole little triangle there. So you guys
Parang
have to
may
watch
love
it.
triangle na dapat
Yeah,
abangan.
opo.
Alright, Sos, please invite everyone to watch out for the movie.
Sana na manood kayo ng Valentine's movie natin. Out on February 9, tapos yung premiere February 7th sa SM Mega Mall. So please watch it. Kasama ko si Eugene Domingo, Lovey Poe, Julian Ward, Rian Ramos, and of course, Richard Gutierrez.
There you go. Thank you so much, Solen, and
Thank you, Mon.
enjoy the rest of your stay here in Cebu. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Cebuanos na nakikiparty dito sa Sinulog Festival. At mamaya po tutok lang kayo dahil more updates from the Sinulog Festival 2011. Thank you so much, Solen.
Thank you, Mon.
Susunod na, Certified Kapuso na awardees ng People Asia nagpasalamat sa natanggap na parangal. At kalagayan ni Lito Lapid, idinitalya ng kanyang manugang na si Tanya Garcia.